Hello friends! This week we wanted to do something a little different, and we were inspired by videos such as this one. So where people have gone to thrift stores, found some pieces of artwork, and decided to add their own little spin to them. A lot of times a monster, a little creature kind of hiding within the scene. So then we decided to do our own version of it. I think I could easily paint some seagulls.
Heck yeah.
Yeah.
Hey.
So this one is a really three-dimensional painting or print on canvas. Really cool. This one, we really immediately just saw like a dragon in the sky, so we're definitely going to do that. This one, we still haven't decided if we think it needs to be like Batman or the Kong, like on the, or whatever. We're gonna decide on that one a little bit later. Then we found, this triptych, and we thought this was pretty cool. This one, we kind of have the clearest idea for what we want to do in the painting. So this is the one we're going to start out with, and then we'll do the other ones after. If I make it too dark, if I make it too colorful, the whole challenge of this is just making it also match the graphic style of the painting. So we're going to work really hard to try to make it look like it belongs, first of all. So what I'm thinking is like a kraken, some tentacles like coming up, and then a really oblivious dude right here fishing, not seeing that he's about to be dragged under. Whether or not I can do that, we will see. So first thing we're gonna do is sketch out. Also, I'm going to Google a kraken. Oh, it's just a big squid. The problem is if I go really, really detailed with it, it's not gonna match the rest of the painting. These brushstrokes are really thick. So I'm gonna have to stay as subtle as these. Okay, so I'm still gonna do a little bit of a sketch. Let's see. So I just imagine him peeking out back here. Got to make sure that our color family isn't too different than what it's sitting next to. So generally I see like browns and even, maybe kind of purplish, nothing very bright. Going very well because the color of this tentacle disappears with the shadows almost entirely, so that's
it's been very sneaky.
That's how you know. Alright, so we're done with this one for now. We're going to let it sit and see if we like it. So we're going to do another one real quick. So I'm just going to get this out of the way and get the other one in place. I think I'm going to do this one next. It's just begging for a dragon. Yeah, maybe a wizard's tower in the back.
Oh, that'd be fun, yeah.
Yeah,
Definitely
feeling it? So this one obviously is way more detailed, so I don't have to hold back so much stylistically. I'm still going to keep it subtle. But let's go ahead and at least get our sketch down again first. if I make it big enough, this whole thing. Okay, we're gonna do that. This whole thing. It's gonna be a big dragon now. It's okay, you guys at home get to see this all sped up.
10 hours later. This is the dragon one, and this one's obviously my favorite. Visit our website at uncorkedcanvas.com for paint and sip events, or just subscribe to us here for more videos like this one. Thanks for joining us today. We'll see you next time. Bye!